Hi guys, today we are going to see the different pronunciations for the word resume. The reason why I would like to say this is whenever we attend an interview or when we ask our friends for a job opening, our friend would tell, please send me your resume. But that word is not resume. It has to be pronounced as resume. The reason is resume means any activity that starts after a small break. For an example, right now you are watching a cricket match and suddenly rain occurs. That is when you will see a message on your TV screen. A message that says the match will resume once the rain stops. Because we are using the same word resume for our curriculum vitae CV also, the word resume has to be pronounced as resume there. So next time when you attend an interview, you tell the HR that this is my resume, or you could also tell your friend, I will send you my resume. Make sure that you tell me about new job openings. So don't forget, resume means anything that starts after a small break. Resume, it means the curriculum vitae that we usually have in our hands while attending an interview. For more interesting videos, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.